Yeah, I tried the cement weights, and let me show you why. If you are, like I am, not that much into low-calorie diet, rather love to eat what you want, Franconian Kellerplatte, Schnitzel with French fries, good Franconian beer, you name it, then it won't do any harm to have some calorie-burning workout that isn't too boring. And boy, is hitting the double end bar calorie burning. So all it takes is a do-it-yourself heavy bag stand, which I already made a video about, and a ground anchor you can attach the double end bag to, which I initially made with iron weights until I found out that in the course of this virus thing, the most common iron plates have become sold out or ridiculous expensive. That's why I gave cement weights a try, works like a charm, which is finally why I like to share it with you. Okay, here are the things you need for the cement weight. You need for the mold a bucket, funnel, and some other pieces, and for the cement, simple sand, simple cement, a bucket to mix it in, and some glass fibers which give the cement the stability. I think it's pretty straightforward how I put all the things together. Initially I tried to glue the funnel into the bucket, but that doesn't work, so I had to use a threaded rod, hex nuts and washers to secure it in the bucket, but that turned out to work very well. For the cement, I used 3 parts of sand and 1 part of cement, also a handful of glass fibers for stability reasons, as already mentioned, and added water until to the point where the whole mixture was kind of like yogurt. I started the mixture dry, without any water, to mix cement and sand, and then added the water, as you can see in these images. And that is the mixture I was looking to have at the end. These are the glass fibers I mentioned, and don't forget to give the cement quite some knocks in order to make all the fine bubbles disappear. Honestly, I didn't make any rocket science out of this cement mixture, but you can tweak it a little bit. I think you can add quartz sand, which is said to make the cement even more fine and perhaps more durable. And you can add some liquefier, which also speeds up the drying process and gives it additional stability. Does anybody know what the word for the thing is that I'm removing right there? Perhaps somebody can tell me in the comments. In the list of the ingredients I only called it the thing. In total I made 9 liters of cement, and the weight is 19,1. To sum it up, 19 kilograms is enough for the weight to stay rock solid on the ground, but at the same time it is what you need. And that is the final product, the final heavy bag stand with the weight. And I also have this sketch in order to show you all the dimensions. And disclaimer, I made a mistake. I thought the diameter of my timber is 4 centimeters, but it isn't, it is 6 centimeters strong. If you made it until here, thank you so much. I really appreciate that. That's why we all make videos, if people are finding this interesting and watching it. So thank you very much. Have lots of fun if you copy this, if you do this. And what I wanted to show with the last frames and last scenes is that working on a double end bag is such a good cardio exercise. It's not boring. It's challenging your whole body, your legs, your hips, your core, especially the core. You're moving your core so much, and yeah, of course, upper body, shoulder muscles, arms a little bit perhaps. And it has less impact on your wrists than perhaps a heavy bag does. So I love it. Thanks. Bye.